This is a great day for our city, for our region, for our economy, not just for this part of the city, for all parts of the city, because now for the local businesses, hundreds of thousands of customers can get on this light rail line and jump right off. You care to go to your business and get a great hairdo right there. Come on, this is a great day for the city. Later on tonight, Grand Canyon University plays in their very first postseason game, not too far from here. They're going to beat South Carolina State. And it's good to see my colleague and friend, Councilman Danny Valenzuela. He shares a passion for public transportation and light rail. He shares my passion for public safety, and obviously he shares my same tailor. Look, he wears that suit better, obviously. All right, I want to thank everyone for being here. First and foremost, I owe a huge thank you. I owe a huge thank you to all the students. I saw students from Orangewood and Richard E. Miller, the students and the teachers and the administrators from Washington Elementary School District. You've been very patient. We love you. You're awesome. Now your ride to school is going to get a little bit easier, and you can jump right on this light rail in your neighborhood and come see the Phoenix Symphony, Ballet, Opera, the Art Museum. You go to a Phoenix Mercury game. Your access to all of this city and valley just got a lot easier. It's been a long wait. Obviously, Kara, to you, and you're here representing all of the local business owners. We owe you a huge debt of gratitude. Your patience during a very difficult important infrastructure project, your patience, sticking it out, working with us on the marketing side, working with us on signage and some of the other things to make sure that your business can survive and thrive even during this construction. The time is near. It is only 5 days away. 5 days away between customers are coming right to you and all the other local businesses. So Shop 19th has been a great marketing program by Valley Metro Rail, but Shop 19th doesn't stop on Saturday. Shop 19th keeps on going. We owe it to these great businesses to keep on shopping in this neighborhood. So Karen and all the other local businesses, let's give a big round of applause. We owe you a huge thank you. Son, Stacy Whitback, and some of the other contractors. Why are you guys all hanging in the back? What's the deal? They like hanging in the back of the bus, I guess. Back of the light rail car. Anyway, great work, great job. Thank you for working so closely with the schools and the local businesses and the neighborhoods. We owe you a huge debt of gratitude. And I know there are some neighborhood leaders here as well. And I got to tell you something. I probably shouldn't say this, because I love the entire light rail system in Tempe, that 1 mile in the Mesa, now growing a few miles in the Mesa, downtown Phoenix, all the other parts that bring it to this area. Well, I got to tell you something. This is my neighborhood. This is where I grew up. I grew up just about a mile away. When we passed 19th Avenue in Northern, that McDonald's, that's where I worked when I was in high school. And I worked at that Kmart at I-17 and Northern. And I cry every time I pass 19th and Northern, because I still miss El Carro Golf Course. That's where I played when I was a kid. This is my neighborhood. And so what a great opportunity for my city, our city, to invest in a great Phoenix neighborhood, the Northwest Extension. For me personally, this is a point of pride. Councilman Valenzuela and I had a very important decision to make when we first became mayor. When I became mayor, he was elected to the city council. And that was this. Because of the recession, this project wasn't supposed to open till 2023. And we had some big decisions to make. It looked like we might be coming out of that recession, but we didn't know. The economy still wasn't as strong as it should have been. Do we play it conservative and not invest in infrastructure, transportation infrastructure? Or do we say, if we're going to advance this city, we're going to take a chance on ourselves and invest in great transportation infrastructure here in the city of Phoenix? And I'm proud to say that Councilman Valenzuela, myself, and the majority of the council said, for this city to succeed economically, for us to advance, we can't be afraid of infrastructure investment. We have to make that investment. And we made this investment without a single federal dollar. Every single penny that invested in Northwest Extension is your local dollars. We believed in ourselves. That's going to pay huge dividends. So Phoenix voters, thank you for supporting us. It's investing in great transportation infrastructure investment. Give yourselves a big round of applause. All right, I've already gone over the time period. We're waiting to go. We are raring to go. So let's get this party started. We're going to open officially on Saturday. Today's the sneak peek, so don't tell anybody how awesome it is. Wait till Saturday. No. Tweet it out, put it on your Facebook, get the message out. Northwest Extension is coming, and the kids and the families in this neighborhood are now going to be connected to the rest of the valley and the world. Let's get this started. Driver, let's go. Woo!
It was pretty great. It was a great experience to have, especially being some of the first people. It was great that some of the community could come out and be together to do this, and that we would have the mayor here. It was pretty cool.
It was really fun. This is actually the first time I've ever met the mayor. I mean, this is actually the second time I've been in the metro.
It was really good because, I remember when they first started saying that they were going to make the light rail and how long it took. I was just waiting for this special day, and I'm honored to be chosen to be one of the people to ride it. So it was really exciting.